going out.
Hey,
We're going
we're gonna have a
out.
drink.
We're going
Hey.
out.
Yeah.
There's Laura. Laura, we're going out. Hey. That's what we love. Good morning. This is the pace of a girl who's been up since 5 o'clock this morning. I am absolutely exhausted. We're on a ferry to our next location. We've been on here for about 5 hours. It's been horrendous. Basically, we've been trying to get, got on the ferry, and this place is freezing. So make sure you wrap up warm if you ever come on it. People are like vultures, trying to get the best seats, best views and stuff like that. Me, trying to find a seat with the best warmth, one that's the least cold, which turned out to be the deck, which has heaters on it, so we've been hanging out there for a while. But it's a very good spot for whale watching. We have seen 2 whales so far, but they've been so quick, I've not been able to get them on camera. So sorry about that. But my cold is getting loads better, and I do feel a bit more human now. I've had something to eat as well, so as for this. Hey pro whale watcher, have you seen any more whales?
No, just the 2.
Just the 2?
Yeah.
Do you know what ones they were?
I think it looks very similar to the humpback whales.
Yeah, I think the first one was a humpback whale on that side. Oh, it's our friend again. Hi. Hello. Someone's happy to get off the boat.
Yeah, the misty air, you know? Come on, the salty sea, the bird shit. It's all here. That actually looks good. Alright,
First time.
alright, we're back in Alaska.
What was that? Translate someone?
Tell us if there's any trouble on the headway.
Tragic.
I've seen this movie.
Trivia question. First one that can answer gets the first set of 10. Okay? Ready? What's the name of the mountain behind me?
Marathon.
Kim and Marty get one of their choice of one of those 10s.
Or one of your wives. The old one.
You didn't even try. You didn't even try.
Question, what's the state tree of Alaska?
Sitka spruce.
Boom, you get the other one.
Oh, look,
Cool.
they're both the people who wanted to go.
Okay, fantastic.
Why is this so funny?
What
an incredibly uninteresting drinking session going on over there if everyone's watching me and enjoying themselves.
Because there were washing machines yesterday.
Yeah, I know,
Loads of
but
them, loads of
I know,
them.
and I used them for an enormous wash. But I opted to hand wash this rather than... Yeah. And it didn't work. Go and drink a beer and talk amongst yourselves like you're on holiday.
So we've set up camp, and now we've had a few drinks.
It's just bits of wood.
Now we're going into town to have something to eat, and I really want some crabs.
Don't doubt me, mate.
Really want my crab
wood's
dinner.
out. I know, you've got it.
It's happening. I'm gonna have my crabs. Morning. Welcome to the small quaint town of Seward. Some of the group went to do a hike this morning. I still have a bit of a dodgy ankle, I still feel a bit unwell, so I decided just to have my own little stroll around the city and just take some photos and just check out and see what's going on. This town is awesome. It's a really cute little town. I don't feel like scared or anything about walking around in these sort of towns anymore. Like, I really feel quite safe. So if you do want to do that, then yeah, it's totally fine. There's also loads of other things that you can do in this town. We are doing our wildlife cruise tomorrow, so I hopefully will see some whales. But there's also like zip lining, ice climbing. Obviously the hike that they're doing today is to the Exit Glacier, so there's loads of stuff to do. I just wanted a bit of a wander. Have some more food, because that's the way I roll. Hopefully this the nice fresh air will sort my cold out. Hate being on while I'm away. Hate it. Okay, so this is the harbour, and over there you should be able to see a giant cruise ship. I'm not gonna lie, when I thought about coming to Alaska, I would think like going on a cruise ship would probably be the only way to do it, and probably the best way to do it, because you're going to be comfortable, you're going to be going around all these ports, and everything's all kind of there for you, and the food and all that sort of stuff. But now, after doing this, I can't think of anything worse. They go from port to port to port, but they won't get to see some of the stuff that we saw, so they would only go from around the shoreline, whereas we've been going inland, where most of that's pretty much bear country. Like, everywhere's pretty much bear country, but I've not seen any bears since we've come closer to shore. Honestly, I think like this is a better way to see it. Like, I just feel like I've had a better, more immersive experience, like properly in the wild, whereas what are you going to see on a cruise? Boring. Apparently all these gift shops and all these stores here are all owned by the cruise company. Like, they just want to get money out of you. Find me somewhere local to have something to eat. Local. Places like where I just ate are local and locally run, so it'll go back into the local economy, whereas things like those other shops I showed you before are owned by the cruise company. They have enough money. They don't need it. I walk past so many other closed shops, closed restaurants, and it's all down to that sort of thing. So if you're going to eat anywhere, eat locally.
How the foil should be laid out. Okay. A little olive oil on the base. That. Wonderful. And now you just add in whatever the hell you want. Yeah. I'm literally gonna put pepper.
It's like 3
And I'm gonna
inches,
put,
though.
after this is done, I'm gonna put sriracha, sour cream, and avocado on the top of it.
How can you take these? Clearly you're not feeling well today.
So this is a hobo.
Just a random one. I thought this was the one that Brian made. But this is well too high quality. Mr. February, wow!
That was the whole, that's where the idea sprung from. It's true though, I mean, it's similar.
We're going out, have a great night. We're going out!
Yeah! There's Laura! Laura! We're going out!
Ecstasy, baby, you can do now. Never tell now. Kiss.